YouTube. What's good, YouTube gang? I already know what time it is now. Done back in 11 with another what? Another banger. Yes, man. You see what I do today, gang? We're there with none other than who? None other than Mr. Eastside himself. Yes, Mr. Yozit himself. You know we are talking about there with none other than Skillibeng. And who this GuttyBling? The one of them so phenomenal. We're gonna check it out and see where Mr. Beng I deal with. You already know what time it is. Skillibeng always going crazy, always dropping them bangers. You already know. Yo, the one you know you don't know said hey, the pass down in fake, you know. You see me pass down if you know fake just because of Skillibeng. You know Skillibeng thing go already. But before we jump in, make sure you like and subscribe button, gang. Do yourself a favor, join the latest reaction channel on YouTube. We got the latest reaction, reviews, all that shit, update, all that shit. Look out for the lives as well. You already know. Become part of the latest gang on YouTube, man. Do yourself a favor, man. If not, hey, that's on you. You feel me? Anyway, gang, we're gonna jump right into it. The Skillibeng, so phenomenal. Let's get it.
God.
You can't make the girl them broke out for this, you know.
GuttyBling music.
Yeah, man. Can't make the girl them skin out and go on bad from this.
Girl, them a go broke out pon this. Can't make you girl them skin. Alright.
She make it jump like a frog. She brace for the dance. She not afraid that the John. Crazy she bad, lazy she not. She not lame, she get up. Shape
Wolan, Skilly, you about to go crazy on this, man.
she get up. Shape to the max. She a shape to the max. Yeah, she prepare for the cut.
Pause boss in full effect, man, why no?
You make it cocky hard. Y'all saw your body bad.
You make the what? Make the what? You make the what and the what, the what?
Y'all saw your body bad. Pussy buffing on your jazz. So phenomenal. So you know me have to call. She make it jump.
You know we have to call, woman. Come on, man. Come on. You know you do all of them things there. Yeah? You know some have to call it. Come on. You know brand new.
You know me have to call. She make it jump like a frog when she brace for the dance. She not afraid that the John. Crazy she bad, lazy she not. She not lame, she get up. Shape to the max.
Lazy she not. She hey.
Crazy she bad, lazy she not. She not lame, she get up. Shape to the max.
Lazy she not. She no lame. She get top. What?
The John. Crazy she bad, lazy she not. She not lame, she get up. Shape to the max. She a shape to the max.
To the max, no.
Pretty than a muggle pan Google. The pum pum fluffy like poo.
That's pretty than a mother pan Google. I think I would say. I can't. I think just.
Pretty than a muggle pan Google.
Oh, prettier than a model on Google. Okay.
The pum pum fluffy like poo.
Think got pretty down here. I say, I say, well, on there, yo, Skilly, how I go on? What's happening? Did you hit your head, brother? Okay, go on.
She so panic cocky like noodle.
No go.
No good. She said me sweet like Fruit Loops. She said me a guru.
Said me sweet like Fruit Loops. She want that foot long, the fruit roll-ups. Hold on.
She said me a guru. Porn video, no face, blues clues. Love when the basket and new jewels, new hair, new bag, new nails, new shoes. She said come my yard with a new group.
Lord, please, this is bad. Me know y'all gonna love the one I know. No joke, this bad.
Yeah. She prepare for the cut. You make it cocky hard. Y'all saw your body bad. Pussy buffing on your jazz. So phenomenal. So you know me have to call.
Hey, we like you, girl. Gonna love the one I know. Joel.
You can't make the girl them broke out from this, you know.
What?
Yeah, man.
No, sir.
Can't make the girl them skin out and go on bad from this.
This song have fun. Dog, you know that already? No, sir. Prettier than I'm a go pan go. She's all getting like no go.
Imagine being able to
Did I hear? Plus, I'm scared if I don't know, you know, no. You know me if you call. You're phenomenal. Oh, dear. Hey, that bad. Big up to Skillibeng, man. So phenomenal. I know the ladies gonna love that one. Ladies, let me know. Ladies, all my babies. Let me know what you feel about that track right there. She no lame, she get up. Yeah, but he broad. Alright, that's fine. Alright, this is gonna be the last time I drop video, gang. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for tuning in, man. Drop your comments. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know the thoughts in the comments section. You already know. Skillibeng always doing thing, man. I told you, pause done in a full effect. You see me, I say, cause you know Skillibeng going already with theme thing. Clearance hard, we get with theme thing. Yo, Skillibeng, free me up, man. Skillibeng, free me up, please. Can you put me back on the whitelist, bro? I used to be on that whitelist, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what happened. I don't know if I call me slow up. You probably have not consistent anymore. Put me back on the whitelist, bro. All my shit used to be green, gang. No, I gotta do all of this thing. Just put me on the whitelist, bro. Just whitelist me, bro. Come on, free me up, Skilly. Skilly, free me up, bro. Free me up, man. Free me up, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired of getting these damn, getting yellow mark, man. Free me up. I'm black on them thing there. Free me up. Free your boy, man. It's me. Jana, yeah. Jambisco, you know what I'm saying? I'm the first one to react to when you just about say, remember me? Yeah, they're supposed to be down. Come on, man. Why at least, man? You know, I've been slacking lately. Why at least a boy again, man? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, again, let me know thoughts in the comment section. Skillibeng always doing things. Man, God International. Come on. Oh, what was it? 5 years ago, I told you this man was coming to be one of the biggest things in dancehall, and he has done that. He's certainly done that. You know, and in that time, I should have been one of the biggest YouTube reactions on YouTube. I kind of slacked on my part, but, niggas going to, boy, I'm here to take over. But it's me, still me. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We've been doing this a long time, gang. You know what I'm saying? So, go ahead. Drop the I'm sorry. Well, go ahead, gang. Let me know your comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts and comments. You know what I'm saying? Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.